little bit, Krishna. Krishna. Come on and sing a little bit, Krishna.
So we're here at the Institute of All Intelligent Life. The birds were chirping so nicely, and so many flowers were on and so many bumblebees on them that I could not resist making a little chat to share it with whoever might want to see. So we're so many beautiful butterflies and birds here, a few more flowers here. There's a monarch butterfly. I hope you could see it. And a bee on the zinnia. Tomato plant. And we're going over to the pond. I wonder if we can see any goldfish in there at this time. They seem to be hiding under the lily pads. And this is a beautiful little potato tree. Okay, we're having a beautiful day here. Nice to share this with you. May God protect us all. Peace be with you. I decided, let me just see, we can have a little conversation here if anybody is here making any comments. Where is this place? This is in Esparto, California. I'm trying to see if there are any questions here. You live in paradise. Yes, it's just gorgeous here. Aren't we lucky? How are you? I'm fine. What was the music in the background? Those are the birds singing and the chimes. Oh yes, let me show you the chimes. It just sounds like beautiful music, doesn't it? Here, I'm coming over to the chimes so you can see them too. There, these are wind chimes, so when the wind blows, they make the music. The spruce tree. So we're going to also go see the front yard of the property here, where we have some nice other trees and flowers. And here's some beautiful flowers here. Oop. Still on. An angel. Here's a little spruce tree, which was our Christmas tree, slowly growing. Ornamental cabbages, which are almost as big as the spruce tree. And And here is the most beautiful, what are these called again? Hope you could see that flower. And we have some, this is the front of the house, a beautiful palm tree, or two palm trees growing right beside each other. Have to get a little farther away from them so you can actually see them. Alright, let me go back and see if there are any more questions or comments here. So the music was those wind chimes, and beautiful place, yes. Chimes are breathtaking, aren't they? It's just like music being made. So which city? This is Esparto. Very small, not really a city. A small town of a couple thousand people only, like a village. And you're living life as supposed to be, dear. Yes, this is the way human beings should actually live, in beautiful gardens. That's the natural way for us to live. Okay, very nice to share this. We have one more tree here to show you. Big, tall, a tall palm tree. And we have a little tour of our garden here. Okay. May God protect us all. Thank you so much for watching and for your appreciation. And let us all try to develop our gardens all over the world, where everyone, as Walid Ahmed Khan says, serene, peaceful, and relaxing. That's how we should be living.